fox with a lantern lights the way through the forest thick and deep, where secrets and stars softly creep. Tell me the tale of the moonlit fable of whispers, wings, and a turning table, where dreams unfold, where wishes sail in the heart of the night, a fairy tale. A river of silver hums a tune, guided by whispers of the moon. A knight with no armor, a crown of moss, searching for what he thought he'd lost. The wind, it howls, the trees, they lean, the line is blurred between seen and unseen. Tell me the tale of the moonlit fable of whispers, wings, and a turning table, where dreams unfold, where wishes sail in the heart of the night, a fairy tale. The stars